Beneath it, we have many tomato. How cute is that? Get onto our bikes. Hi guys, how are you doing? I got to know about a plant swap event on Facebook and both of us wanted to participate. The idea is you bring in some plants so that you can exchange with somebody else. So we are getting some plants ready. We are thinking of taking a tomato plant and a few jalapeno pepper plants that we are growing. I thought I will show you the entire process and also bring you along to our plant swap day. I've taken this plastic disposable cups, drilled some holes beneath it, and we'll plant the tomato plants and the jalapeno pepper plants in here so that it's easier to give away. And you don't have to bring something back.
You love so fully, such a spark of brilliance. Though it's hard to part ways, I'll keep you here with me. On and on we see there's something we don't know. You and my first love, and
as you can see, we have many tomato plants, and my plan is to take these two out and plant it in these cups. We made the holes earlier.
Can withstand what we went through. You make me dream. You. Time flew so quickly.
How cute is that?
You touched me so deeply, and I understand why a season's all we can keep. Time to let you go. I still dream of you at night. I think of all the lessons that I learned from you.
I need to put some more soil in here, which I will do later.
You were my first love.
One is jalapeno and one is Indian chili. Both plants are ready. We can swap them.
And the soft breeze. Not a lot
And she is putting some more soil in here.
what we went through. You made me grow. You.
So cute. We also have some other gardening work here. We have this huge planter where we planted beautiful spring bulbs, but those flowers have died and we need to clean it up for the next batch of plants that we want to put in. That's what Amitanshi is doing. He's taking out those bulbs. These are hyacinth bulbs. It looks so healthy. We can plant this again next year around November and we'll get beautiful display in February to April period.
It's a sunny day. We got some
While he does that, I'm asked to get some threads to tie those together so we can keep it nicely, and hence I'm here looking for threads.
a smiling face for everyone. Life can be so beautiful when you start to judge and rule. Just be free. It's and everything's okay. It's a sunny day. We got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay.
This cherry tomato plant, and I will plant it outside.
It's a sunny day, we can hey, and everything's okay. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. Hot sun, the rain's gone, we gonna have a lot of fun. All our sorrows are gone, a smiling face for everyone. Life can be so beautiful when you start to judge and rule. Just be free.
got dressed. As you can see, it's 1:30 and the event starts at 2. So the location we are visiting opens up at 2. Hence, we have to keep moving. We will take our plants, get onto our bikes, and reach the location as soon as we can.
Everything's okay. It's a sunny day. We got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. It's a sunny.
The weather seems nice. It was supposed to rain, but yeah, it looks good. Let's see how it goes. Let's go.
It's okay.
So this is a community garden and people grow whatever they like here, and if you go closer you'll see that there are labelings everywhere. Exciting to see this. We haven't seen or visited a community garden before. It's washed away, so I'm writing it again here. हम लोग कलकत्ते से हैं।
It's a sunny day. We got some
हाँ।
time to stay. Hey, hey,
हाँ।
sunny day. We got some time to stay. Hey, hey,
So are these hot chilies?
No, these are sweet actually.
Then we might have a sweet chili.
It's if you want, it's called in Spanish it's called pimiento cristal, and it's a sweet paprika.
when you stop me judging, just be free. It's a Sunday. Everything's okay. It's a sunny day. We got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay.
Guys, we are back home and we thought we'll show you what we finally got and also plant it outside. Show you what we have got. 3 types of salad greens. We have one oregano and we have Spanish sweet chili pepper. Plant the salad greens outside for now and keep the oregano and the sweet chili pepper inside because it's still not very warm outside. So let's go and plant these outside.
Everything's okay. Hot sun, the rain's gone. We gonna have a lot of fun. All our sorrows are gone. A smiling face for everyone. Life can be so beautiful when you stop be judging. Just be free.
And the final results. We have all the 3 greens planted. I hope you guys have liked watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.
Sun, the rain's gone. We gonna have a lot of fun. All our sorrows are gone. A smiling face for